Welcome back, everyone. This is Anna at My Crafting World. I wanted to show you my luggage stack that I have completed, and I am so happy on how it turned out. I went ahead and covered my mess on the back of my table so you wouldn't be distracted. I just wanted to show you an overview. I will show you each suitcase in a little bit, but I just wanted to show you how this actually turned out. This is the front view, and this is the side. Oh, I just love it. Oh my goodness, I used some of the sentiments that are in the paper pack to decorate the front and the back, the sides. Oh my goodness, and look at her. Isn't she gorgeous? Oh my gosh, I love her. Look at her. She's holding her little keys here for her suitcase. I love that. Anyway, guys, that is the overview. Once they're all stacked, it's over 12 inches. It's a little over 12 inches, almost 12 and a half. It's about 12 and a half. But anyway, I just thought I'd show you what it looks like all stacked together. We will go over what I did with each piece. All right, guys, we're gonna start with the bottom suitcase. So I got some of the faux leather from Hobby Lobby, and I made it some little straps that go around the suitcase with it. And then it goes all the way around the suitcase. These are pieces of the ephemera that are in the paper pack, and I just cut them out and I put them down. They have a piece of Velcro on the back, open and close, and I'll show you the inside. I didn't do anything to the inside, guys. And this handle is also a piece from the ephemera page, and I just took some of the faux leather and glued it down and put some little bling pieces on for the hardware, and then I glued this little handle onto the suitcase. And then I used some of the trim from, it's Blue Fern Studio trim that I got in my design team package. And then these are also cut aparts, and I just put them up on foam. And then here's another one. So guys, I have a set of rubber stamps, and that's what you see throughout the case. I didn't do anything to the bottom, but throughout the case I just took the rubber stamp and stamped here and there to make it look like, you know, they've been traveling. And yeah, I like the way that turned out. So right here, let me tell you what I did right here. For this beautiful lady, what I did was, I hope you can see her. So for this lady, I just put a little cluster of flowers right here with a silver ribbon on there, and I hung some pearls down, and I put some leaves cascading down, and then I cut her out and I put her on chipboard. I just cut chipboard to go around her to make her really stand, so she wouldn't be flimsy. And then I don't remember what she was holding in the paper, in the picture, but I cut it off and I put the little keys on there. She's holding her little keys for her suitcase and train case. And then right here, I put some little pearls on there, and I did use E6000. So I just had the, you know, flower cascade down a little bit. And on the back, the way I made her stand was I put some foam back here, and you can kind of see it right there. And then I just covered it up with flowers just so, you know, it wasn't as noticeable. And that is all I did. So the suitcase does open, and there we go. And there we go. I didn't do anything to the inside of any of the cases. And then you just close the little buckles, and there you go. That is the first one. She is my favorite. I did go ahead and put some, I used the Nuvo Sunlit Sienna shimmer, aqua shimmer pen. I used that on her hair right here, and then I used it, you know, to highlight a little bit of the cut aparts that are in here. So I just put a little bit on each one, and you know, you kind of hold it at an angle and you can see it. Her hair just shines so pretty. I just love her. So that was the first suitcase. On the trunk, we're gonna go to the trunk next. I went ahead and cut, you know, a circle, and then you know, made the circles fit as protectors, the corner protectors. And I put again, I cut this out of the ephemera page, and that closes with a piece of Velcro as well, and I glued it down to the faux leather. And then this one says Lady Vagabond. This was a piece of scrap that I said, I just can't let that go. So I had a piece of trim left over from the suitcase, so I just put it on the bottom of the train, some bling on the sides, and then again I stamped all the sides except the bottom. And on the sides for the handles of the trunk, I just cut a piece of faux leather, glued it down, put some little bling pieces as the hardware, and then I stamped. And then on the back, I used the hinges that were in the cut aparts page, and then I went ahead and put some of the aqua shimmer pen. Like I said, I went ahead and highlighted just pieces of here and there, and then I stamped those as well. And then here's the other side, and that, you know, I kept thinking, how do I make it look like a trunk? Because I knew what I wanted to do, I just didn't know exactly how I was going to do it. So on this side, I put, you know, bling pieces as part of the hardware as well, and then I put another cluster of flowers right here, some more of the colored pearls, the leaves cascading down again, another bow, and then some pearls cascading down. And then when I open it, there's the inside. I didn't do anything to the inside, guys, but it opens and closes, you know, pretty good. I'm happy with it. And there you go. So, you know, honestly, I didn't make it out of chipboard because I didn't know how it was going to turn out. So in essence, this is my prototype. But I'm overall, if I make another one, yes, I will definitely use chipboard. But I just love how it turned out. So that is the trunk. Now for the little train case, here we go, guys. This is just my favorite. The train case has a little handle on the top where she can hold it from. And then it's got her little lock right there. She's holding two keys. So the trunk and the train case are the ones that have keys. So she has two keys that are two different colors, and one of them, the little one matches the trunk, the bigger one matches the train case. I had these corners in my stash forever, and I just thought, oh my gosh, that's gonna look pretty there. And I really do like how it turned out. I put the little bling pieces right here as part, you know, as the part of the hardware. And, you know, I put one in each corner. And again, I stamped throughout. And this one's stamped as well. This one has a little clock up on foam, you know, stamp. See how the paper itself has stamps? So I just thought I would mimic that. And then on the top, of course, I put my cluster of flowers, some more of the little pearls, and these are glass, but again, I used the E6000 and they're not going anywhere. And I went ahead and put another cluster of flowers, and I ran out of the same trim, the white one from Blue Fern Studios. So I just made another bow with this trim from Dollar Tree. And I hung some pearls going down, and then the bow on the top. I really, and this flower I went ahead and put some of the aqua shimmer pin, and then right here I cut out the London, and I highlighted that also with a pen, and Paris, that is my dream vacation, so that one's the one I put on the top. And then I put a row of bling going all the way around the top of the case, and I love this. So opening the case, of course it closes with Velcro, and there's my Velcro. I went ahead and just glued that little lock onto a piece of faux leather and glued that on just because I wanted it to hold a little bit. I wanted it a little sturdier, and then it closes. And it closed with the Velcro. I just love how it turned out, guys. Let me know which of the cases is your favorite. I really, really, really did enjoy this project. I really, really did. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the ending. I hope you like how I embellished it. And I will talk to everyone later. Thank you so much for watching. Y'all have a wonderful day.